As an interaction design student, before I started my master's, I had searched a lot about interaction things at UNSW, and I did see the Creative Robotics Lab, but I didn't think that I would have anything to do with it. I thought I would just be a normal student, taking all the courses, finishing all the assessments. So I would say the LPP program is a great opportunity for me to expand some of my horizons outside the coursework. We built a wearable device called Interactive Perceptual Companion, which vibrates on your arm with different patterns when notifications come to your phone.
We didn't even know what we were designing or making, to be honest. But that's the beauty of research. That's the beauty of being in a space that there's so much different kind of things happening around you, and there's these different resources that you can tap into, that you can eventually start making sense of that abstraction.
When you get into the lab, things are quite flexible. You can always initiate the directions that you want to explore or things that you want to try, and you can always communicate with other researchers or professors in the lab to learn a variety of things.
That's a main thing, I guess, in working. The difference with working in a lab, when you're surrounded by all these researchers, different academics that are all doing their own thing, you tend to absorb all of that as well. It's not really present when you're working on your own. There was always Avish or Sarita or someone else on nearby, and their input became a big part of what we were talking about. And that's only because of being associated with CRL and being associated with the different academics that are working here. They open up pathways, they open up possibilities of further research.
From this program, I found myself having a passion for research, and I've decided to continue this journey. So now I'm also working as the casual research assistant at UNSW.
My take on the LPP was to get the students involved in the research. So the way I approached it was to set up, this is an idea, this is like a broad kind of idea, let's get this student involved and see what comes out of it. Hearing that Jonathan's interested in research, so that's definitely a plus point, I think, in terms of what the LPP was able to achieve.
Yeah.